Hey guys, welcome to another Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm pretty sure we've done cornbread in the past, but I took and just finished this BSR Red Mountain number 12. I am going to take and put this one in my collection until I can find one that's hand scribed, because I want to try to get a collection of the hand scribed ones. I'm not sure if they even had a hand scribed 12, but I'm pretty sure they did. But this one came out pretty good. First time I had actually found any of the skillets that came with its own lid, so I definitely grabbed this one. So let's get started. Guys, we have a little addition to this. My wife wants some muffins, so we're gonna add some muffins to it, and we're gonna have cornbread and muffins. Alright guys, since Memorial Day is right around the corner, we're going to make this a patriotic cornbread. So I've added some blue and some red, and now I'll get the muffins mixed up. Alright guys, to go along with the experiment theme that we're doing tonight, I'm also going to take and I didn't add any food coloring. What turned this one pink is strawberry syrup, like you would, make strawberry milk out of. So we'll see how this one turns out. Alright guys, we gave the cornbread a good little swirl. Got the blue and the red. We'll see how it turns out when it gets done. Alright guys, here's the hearts. Wasn't quite enough to fill all of them. I've got it filled up pretty good, so they're going to poof over pretty good. So I should have took a little bit less out of each one, but I thought I'd have plenty for all of them. So we'll do better on that next time. We'll see how these turn out. Alright guys, looks like the muffins came out good. I'm going to take and get one of these plated up, take it to the wife while I'm waiting on the cornbread to finish. Hey guys, pan just wiped out clean. Everything's great on it. I know Lodge made these for Valentine's Day, but hint to all the guys out there, there is never a bad time to make your wife a heart muffin. So if you don't have this pan, it's definitely one that you need to grab. Alright guys, cornbread's done. As you can tell, the blue turned to a dark green for some reason. But everything else looks good, so I guess it's the dot that counted. We'll just have to do something different for Memorial Day. Let's see how this thing looks when we pop it out. Alright guys, after I cut the cornbread and pulled off a piece, it does look blue. It's just green on top, so everything came out good. Cornbread tastes good. Muffins taste good. Wife and daughter are enjoying 2 of them right now. So, just like always, hope everybody has a great week. And we'll see you next Wednesday and see what kind of stuff we can come up to, cook for Cast Iron Wednesday. Y'all have a great one.